It is time for back-to-back teaser reactions. I'm very proud because usually I know I'm a bit late in reacting to newly dropped teasers. Like I get delayed by a day or two or probably a week also. But this time I am reacting and recording this video on the day that the teasers have dropped. I'm very happy. I'm very proud of myself. So getting back to the groove and not being lazy. So right now I will be watching two teasers. The first one is starring Mamuka and this film is getting directed by Gautam Menon. So I have no context whatsoever about this film. This movie is called Dominic and the Lady's Purse. This is getting produced by Mamuka's own production company. And like I said, I have no context about this film. Like I don't recall having read this news that both of them are going to be collaborating. If there was news coming out, I have missed it for sure. The second movie teaser that I will be watching is called Identity. This stars Tovino Thomas and Trisha. So yeah, let's not delay this any further. Let's start with Dominic and the Lady's Purse.
Sir, എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടാവുമോ? അയാൾ വയലന്റ് ആയി നമ്മളെ ഉപദ്രവിക്കാൻ വല്ലതും വന്നാ?
മാക്സിമം അവർ നമ്മളെ അറ്റാക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ വരും. ഫസ്റ്റ് മൂവ്മെന്റ് ഏകദേശം ഒരൊറ്റ കൊണ്ട് ബ്ലോക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടു. നെഞ്ചിന്റെ കീഴെ ഒരു പഞ്ച് ആള് കുനിയും ഇങ്ങനെ പറയും. പറയുമ്പോ ഒട്ടുകൊണ്ടൊരു ചാമ്പ് പൊന്തി വരും. രണ്ട് കൈയും പിടിച്ച് ചെവിക്കിട്ടു കണ്ണിൽ പൊന്നിച്ച് പറക്കും. ഒരു റൈറ്റ് പഞ്ച് അപ്പർ കട്ട് പിന്നെ ഇങ്ങനെ കറക്കി എടുത്തിട്ട് ഒരു
ഇതുപോലെയൊക്കെയാണോ?
അവർ വെറും ഗുണ്ടകളല്ലേടാ. ഫൈറ്റ് സയന്റിഫിക് ആയിട്ട് പഠിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. അത് മാത്രമല്ല സർപ്രൈസ് ആയിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ മാനേജ് ചെയ്തു. ഇവൻ വെറും കൊണ്ട നിനക്ക് ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യാനേ ഉള്ളൂ.
Interesting. Seems like a fun film, and I don't know why I feel that when he was describing that action scene that okay, do this, do that, I don't know why I feel that I've seen this action sequence somewhere. Is he describing one of his own action sequence? Or an action sequence from a popular film? I could be totally reaching, guys, seriously. But the teaser is suggesting that this is a light-hearted film. I could be wrong. After maybe the trailer drops, the tonality completely shifts. But here you can see that they're expecting some kind of attack and they're expecting the arrival of some goons. It seemed to me like that both of them are like waiting because the guy said, oh, nothing wrong is going to happen now. But Mamuka seems very chill and casual and he's like, nah. I'll teach you what to do. They're untrained. They don't know the scientific techniques of how to actually punch your opponent, if I should say so. So yes, not much context, but definitely seems like a light-hearted fun film. So yeah, not much context and can't really decode much here. Except the fact that this seems very light-hearted, and I'm really excited for this combo of Mamuka and Gautam Menon, and let's see what they're cooking. So I'm going to be waiting for subsequent promo material. If you have any information, because I said I'm completely going into this blind, I had no context, so that's where I will leave my opinion. And now I'm going to move on to the teaser of Identity. Let's see how this one is. Okay.
ആദ്യം നമുക്ക് അയാളുടെ ഫേസിന്റെ ഏകദേശം ഒരു ഷേപ്പിൽ തുടങ്ങാം. നല്ലപോലെ
പെന്റഗണൽ ഷേപ്പ്. സ്ക്വയർ ഷേപ്പ് മുഖത്തിന് താഴേക്ക് കോർണർ പോലെ നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കുന്ന ചിഹ്നമായിരുന്നു അയാൾ.
I need to start this again. Wait. Oh, there's a lot going on here.
ആദ്യം നമുക്ക് അയാളുടെ ഫേസിന്റെ ഏകദേശം ഒരു ഷേപ്പിൽ തുടങ്ങാം. നല്ലപോലെ
പെന്റഗണൽ ഷേപ്പ്.
Oh, the music also.
സ്ക്വയർ ഷേപ്പ് മുഖത്തിന് താഴെ ഫിഫ്ത്ത് കോർണർ പോലെ നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കുന്ന ചിഹ്നമായിരുന്നു അയാൾക്ക്. ലൈക്ക് എ പെന്റഗൺ.
ഈ വിറ്റ്നസ് എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുമ്പോൾ സംഭവത്തിന്റെ ഏറ്റവും മൂല്യം മാത്രം കണ്ടുള്ള ടീമാണ്.
നോ സർ, ഷീ ഈസ് എ ഫോട്ടോഗ്രാഫർ.
അവൾക്കെല്ലാം നല്ല വ്യക്തമായ ഓർമ്മയുണ്ട്.
ഒരു ഫിഫ്ത്ത് കോർണർ പോലെ.
ആഴ്ചകൾക്ക് മുമ്പ് കണ്ടൊരു ഫേസ് റീക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ്.
No wonder the music sounds good. Jakes.
നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കുന്ന ചിഹ്നമായിരുന്നു അയാൾക്ക്. സ്ക്വയർ ഷേപ്ഡ് മുഖത്തിന് താഴെ.
I love how the dialogue is just repeating.
Where is Haran Shankar?
I also like when the name popped up and covered the eyes. It's like, what's the identity? Director duo, Akhil Paul and Anas Khan. Oh man, this is very intriguing. This is very intriguing. I love this. It's very, very intriguing. Okay, let me stop this. Wow, first a big like to this video, and I feel that this teaser is probably going to grab some eyeballs and gain some traction in the film fraternity space. I really like the way this was edited out with the music and with the scenes, and I loved how there was that repeatability factor of the dialogue, because it feels to me like this is the main crux, finding out the identity. And beautifulally, the things are placed, very subtle things, but very, very beautifully placed, where she has a photographic memory, so you have that repeatability factor, because it's attention to detail that the person has when you have a photographic memory. And also the way the names were popping out and it was just covering the eyes, so it's more than what meets the eye. The movie is more than what meets the eye. I feel that these were like the subtle hints that was given in the teaser. Very well thought out. And we have the director duo of Forensic back collaborating with Tovino, which is great. And I feel a little nostalgic because Forensic was my foray into Malayalam cinema, and I know a lot of people do not like that film, but I really like that film. I don't know, I somehow really enjoyed watching the film. I do not like the remake. I know it was straight on copy, the Hindi remake what I'm talking about, which starred Vikram Nasi. It was a straight on copy of the film, so yeah, I really did not like that because it had nothing new to offer per se. So, but the original one with Tovino, I really liked it. Yes, I'm that minority who enjoyed Forensic. So anyway, this trailer, this teaser, I don't know why I keep calling it trailer, but I really like this teaser. This is very, very intriguing. Like, I'm already intrigued. Great editing. Love the music also. A lot of great camera work also I'm able to gauge from this particular teaser. So that's why I'm saying this is going to gain some traction because it has a lot to offer visually also. Just the visual stimulation on watching that, oh, this is happening, moving very, very fast. Love the cuts, how the how the frames are cutting and how they have been paced out with the music. Amazing. And na 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 ta 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 ta, every like the scene and the actions are synced with the music. This is how you make the teaser or any video edit so seamless and so beautiful. Well done. So yes, so in the first one, obviously the Mamuka charm is there and it's Gotham Menon, so that combo itself is very exciting, though the teaser itself did not give much context to me, at least. So I'm gonna wait for more promo material. That's why I had not much to talk about that. But here in this one I really like. It already has my attention, so I'm gonna seek out and I'm gonna wait for more promo material from this. Of course from Mamuka's film also, but this one, oh my god, this has my attention for sure. So yeah, you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm very proud once again that I'm recording these teaser reactions on the day of their release. Achievement, huh? So, but I know somebody's gonna write that's the bare minimum from a reaction channel. I know, but I'm lazy. Yes, so I'm gonna sign off now and I will see you soon on my next video. Thank you for being so patient. Bye.